you ever wondered about the 7 planes of healing and how they are affecting and impacting your life on daily basis? Hi everyone, I am Gurleen Kaur and I'm a life coach. Today I will be briefing you, telling you about all the 7 planes of healing. First plane of healing is stones and crystals. They have been used for centuries. Each stone and crystal carries a particular vibration, affects you in a particular way. For example, amethyst is known for its calming properties, and rose is used for emotional healing. Incorporating stones in daily life by carrying them with you, placing them in your living space, can using them during your meditation can really upgrade your life. It can help you just incorporate those feelings in yourself in a much better way because it enhances because of the vibration of the stone and the crystal. But you need to know which works for you and which stone doesn't work for you. And you need to also be very careful about the authenticity of the stone and the crystal you've been using. Second plane of healing is plants. Plants are wondrous. They can do wonders. There are a lot of medicines that are made out of plants. That's one thing. They help us in consuming. When we consume those medicines made out of plants, they help our physical body in a lot of ways. Apart from that, these plants and overall being in nature and being around trees and in that aura, that energy that plants provide is a super it's like a supercharger for a person. A lot of times you encounter when you're in a nature surrounding, when you're surrounded by nature and you're around trees and plants, it elevates your mood. It helps you just feel better about everything. So plants have that soothing nature to them, which is of course very, very contagious and goes into the, somebody who's even observing and just sitting in nature, it can be very, very healing. Third plane of healing is humans. Here comes the doctors. They are saviors. For a lot of people, they have had amazing, results, and they study and they have their knowledge, and forever grateful for, whatever the doctors do for us. There are various kinds of doctors. So, be it somebody who's practicing a homeopathic medicine or an allopathic medicine, somebody who's doing to Ayurvedic, somebody who's doing some other kind of remedy, whatever is working for you, which is being done by a human, is third plane of healing. On the fourth plane comes the spirits. So, and our spirits and our ancestors also. So there are very many modalities that involve us, catching the spirits around us and speaking with our ancestors, who in turn provide us a lot of healing and give us direction and guidance when needed. So that is the fourth plane of healing. The fifth plane is all the gods, the masters whom we pray to, be it whatever religion you follow. There are deities, there are these gods that we are praying to. They are the fifth plane. And it is all about faith. It is all about how much you have faith in whatever it is that you're doing. So some people have faith in just visiting a particular place. So some people visit a particular ashram and they feel it is sorted and done for them. Some people feel that it is just going on that one particular whatever. It can be a gurdwara, mandir, mosque, church. Some people have that faith with that particular place. Some people have that faith with a particular prayer. So if you do one ardas and that works for you, so every time you will have that faith that this is what works for me. Okay, so end of the day, whatever plane of healing you're using for yourself, you need to have that faith. You need to have that belief that this works for me, and if you have that, everything that you wish for will come true. Moving on, the sixth plane is time. Time is above everything. It heals. It heals in its own miraculous way. A lot of things just with time passing by solve and become much more smoother and peaceful for us to be able to accept them. Seventh plane is the plane of creator. The creator who has created all of us, who has created everything. So it's this bright white light that you connect to when you meditate, that you connect to when you are in your theta state and when you're just, being very mindful. So it is that white light, it is that creator who has created everything and is the ultimate source for healing. This is a little gist, a little brief about the 7 planes of healing. Whatever plane you choose, all that matters end of the day is how much faith you have. What is the belief that you go in with, that this is going to work for me, this is going to heal me, this is going to manifest for me. So it's all about that faith. Get it in you. Know that whatever you're doing is for your good, and have that, capability to be able to leave, to be able to surrender and leave it to that creator, that whatever happens in the end will be for your highest good. If you like the video, hit that button and tell us in the comments which plane of healing you resonate with the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.